Remember to click subscribe and notification button for more Appa's video.
Cooking Appa.
Hi, this is Cooking Appa. Today I'm going to make a very simple and quick dish. It will be completed within a few minutes. This is French beans. I removed the both ends, and cut it into half. This is, I think, the baby version, smaller version. And then I have 1 egg here, a little bit of chopped garlic, chopped ginger, chopped garlic, and also this is sliced chili just to make it more appealing. Let's start cooking. Give it a bit of oil. Then we're going to saute the ginger and garlic. You can put in shallot if you like also, no problem. There's no rules in Appa's kitchen, seriously. Well, immediately you can smell the nice aroma coming out, especially from the ginger. After that, put in the French beans. Don't put in the chili first, Now you need to stir fry this until it is fully cooked, maybe 80 or 90% cooked. So it may take a couple of minutes. In restaurant, what they will normally do to shorten the cooking time, they will actually there's one process called 过油, meaning they will actually deep fry the French bean for probably about 30 seconds. So after that, then only they will stir fry. By doing so, they can shorten the frying time. I'm not going to use a lot of seasoning in this particular dish here. Let's keep it simple. Let's give it a little bit of oyster sauce. Just the normal Chinese cooking seasoning. Right? Some oyster sauce. Light soy sauce. Let's give it a bit of stock. This is chicken stock, I think. I got it from my fridge. Or you can just put water. After you put in water, it will get cooked much faster. I can smell the nice fragrance coming out from the oyster sauce. You can start seeing the French bean changing color as well, turning darker. I will let it simmer for about 1 minute, then we continue. This is after 1 minute simmering. Open this. Push this to the side. Before we put in the egg, open the egg into a bowl. Give it a bit of white pepper. You want high heat here. Try not to disturb the egg, let the egg settle a little bit. Meanwhile, you can actually add a little bit of salt, a little bit of sugar, now you can give it a few stir. And not forgetting the chili. Few stir. Off the fire. Few dashes of white pepper. And also a little bit of garlic oil or sesame oil or onion oil. A little bit. Just a little bit. Yep. Done. Final few stir. And it's done. So here's my stir fry French bean with egg. You can, I just now actually put the egg after. You can also fry the egg earlier if you like. Up to you. There's no rules in Appa kitchen, alright? So I hope you like my video. If you like my video, do share my video on your Facebook to your friends. Come to Cooking Appa Facebook fan page to click like and follow button. Follow Appa on Instagram and subscribe to Cooking Appa YouTube channel. Thank you very much. Enjoy your dinner with your family. Bye bye.